L-Unjoni Ewropea qed tinnota dak li għaddej f'Malta. Sostna dan Manfred Weber, iċ-Chairman tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew fil-Parlament Ewropew, li indirizza l-mass meeting f'Taslima u tal-appoġġ kollu tiegħu lil Simon Busuttil. Weber qal li Kiċ Kembri attakka lil Pana Committee li qed jinvestiga l-iskandlu tal-Panama Papers. L-Unjoni Ewropea nnutat li Joseph Muscat involut fl-iskandli f'pajjiżna u nnutat ukoll li l-Gvern Malti mhux jippubblika d-dokumenti kollha. Iżda l-Unjoni Ewropea taf li dawn il-persuni qed jagħmlu ħsara lil pajjiżna li dawn il-persuni mhumiex Malta.
I have to say to you that the last weeks and months where the Maltese government had the EU presidency, it was not mainly linked to the achievements in this time period. It was mainly linked to the Panama leaks, dear friends. We have followed very closely the Panama Papers. We have been watching Konrad Mizzi led the Energy Council. It was a scandal to see that a minister, the only minister in Europe who is on the Panama list, was leading the Energy Council. Dear friends, that was a shame for Europe. We have taken note when Keith Chambry insulted Panama Committee, questioning the legitimacy of the European Parliament, so not respecting European democracy. We know of the serious allegations against Joseph Muscat himself. We saw that the government is not publishing all the documents linked regarding to the investigations here in Malta. We know this is not Malta. This behavior is not Malta. This corruption is not Malta. Joseph Muscat is not Malta, dear friends.
Weber iddikjara li l-bidla f'Malta tista' tkun riflessjoni tal-futur tal-Ewropa, futur mingħajr korruzzjoni. U ironikament irrimarka li fl-istess waqt f'pajjiżna il-Partit Laburista ġab lil Matteo Renzi, ex-Prim Ministru sfiduċjat fl-Italja u involut f'numru ta' skandli f'pajjiżu. Hawn Weber kellu appell ċar. L-Italja hija parti mill-problema tal-Ewropa. Issegwux dak il-mudell.
Italy is one of the problem countries in the European Union. So don't follow the Italian approach. Follow the EPP approach. Follow the Nationalist Party approach, dear friends.
Waqt li Weber indirizza l-poplu Malti wawċi, appella biex il-futur ta' pajjiżna jirritorna verament fidejn pajjiżna b'deċiżjoni għaqlija favur Malta fit-3 ta' Ġunju.
Malta deserves a better future. We will be the future of Malta. You will be the future of Malta. I know Simon Busuttil as an honest man. I know him as a man of integrity. I know him as a true friend, and he is a true leader.